no! This ladybug lost all of its spots. Will you help me find the ladybug's spots? You will? Yay! Thank you so much. Hi friends, I'm Miss Kristen, and I'm so excited to learn with you today. Come on, it's gonna be so much fun. Let's read this number. This is the number 4. Can you say 4? 4. Let's add 4 spots to our ladybug. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did we match the number? Yes, 4 spots for the number 4. Can you show me 4 fingers? Let's count 4 fingers together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great counting. Let's jump 4 times like a ladybug. Jump with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this ladybug. This ladybug says 2. Let's give this ladybug 2 spots. 1, 2. 2 spots to match the number 2. Let's count to 2 together. 1, 2. Let's clap 2 times. 1, 2. High five, friends. Oh, look, another ladybug. This ladybug has the number 5 on it. Let's add 5 dots to our ladybug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh. Friends, I accidentally added 1 too many dots. Will you help me fix the ladybug so that the number of dots matches the number 5? You will? Great. Let's use some red paint to fix our mistake. Cover up the black dot. Good job. Everyone makes mistakes, and that's part of learning. It's okay to make mistakes. Now we have 5 black dots to match the number 5 on our ladybug. Will you count to the number 5 with me? Let's count to the number 5 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great counting. Let's tap our nose 5 times. Tap your nose with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, friends. I'm so proud of you. Do you know what number this ladybug has on? Yes, it's the number 1. Let's add 1 dot to our ladybug. 1 dot, 1 dot for our number 1 ladybug. Let's try another one. What number is this? Yes, this is the number 3. Let's give our ladybug 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. Now our ladybug has 3 spots to match the number 3. Can you clap 3 times? Let's clap together 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now let's jump 3 times. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3. Now let's tap our head 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Great job, friends. Did you know that ladybugs are beetles, not bugs? Ladybugs have 6 legs and wings, and they can fly really fast. Ladybugs eat tiny bugs called aphids, and they help make plants grow big and healthy by eating the little bugs. Ladybugs drink water off of leaves. And ladybugs make a really stinky smell to keep their enemies away. Pee-you! Wow, ladybugs are so neat. Let's say the number on each ladybug together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great counting. We did it! We gave all of the ladybugs back their spots, and I couldn't have done it without your help. Thank you so much for helping me and the ladybugs get their spots back. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to check out the other videos on our channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe so you never miss an episode of Pre-K with Kristen, where we play, learn, and grow. And learning is always fun. I'll see you next time, friends. Bye!